Hi everyone, I am Ms. Preeti, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Technology, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see about biomolecules. So what is biomolecules? Biomolecules are the most essential organic molecules which are involved in the maintenance and metabolic process of living organism. The non-living molecules are actual food soliders of battle of subsistence of life. They range from small molecules such as primary and secondary metabolites and hormones to large macromolecules like protein, nucleic acid, carbohydrates and lipids. So basically what is biomolecules? It is nothing but macromolecules like proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates and lipids. So what is carbohydrate? Carbohydrates are chemically defined as polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones, or the compounds which produce them on hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is nothing but the process which helps in producing aldehydes and ketones. In layman's term, we acknowledge carbohydrates as sugars or a substance that tastes sweet. So basically carbohydrates taste sweet. So what is the sugar? For example, sugar is a carbohydrate. So actually they taste sweet. They are collectively called as saccharides. Depending on the number of constituent sugar units obtained upon hydrolysis, they are classified as monosaccharides, that is 1 unit, oligosaccharides, that is 2 to 10 units of sugar, and polysaccharides, that is more than 10 units of sugar. So basically the number of units of sugar present, the carbohydrates are classified. So monosaccharide, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. So the next biomolecule which we are going to see is proteins. Proteins are another class of indispensable biomolecules which make up around 50% of cellular dry weight. Proteins are polymers of amino acids arranged in the form of polypeptide chains. So what is a polypeptide chain? So many number of units of peptide chains will be present. So that is called as polypeptide chain. The structure of proteins is classified as primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. So how the carbohydrates were classified? They were classified as monosaccharides, oligosaccharides and polysaccharides. Here the proteins are classified into primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary proteins. Okay, so most enzymes are proteinaceous in nature. This is the structure of protein. So next we are going to see about nucleic acids. Nucleic acids refer to genetic material found in cell that carries all hereditary information from parents to progeny. There are two types of nucleic acids, namely deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA, and ribonucleic acid, that is RNA. The main function of nucleic acid is the transfer of genetic information and synthesis of proteins by processes known as translation and transcription. So basically nucleic acids refer to the genetic material found in cell that carries all the hereditary information from parents to progeny. So there are two types of nucleic acids, namely deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA, and ribonucleic acid, that is RNA. So what is the main function of nucleic acid is to transfer the genetic material from one generation to the next generation. So the monomer unit of nucleic acid is known as nucleotide. So the single nucleic acid is called as nucleotide and it is composed of nitrogenous base, pentose sugar and phosphate. So a single nucleotide contains what? A nitrogenous base is present, a pentose sugar is present and a phosphate is present. There are major nitrogenous bases found in DNA. That is, there are 5 major nitrogenous base found in DNA, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. In RNA, thymine is replaced by uracil. The DNA structure is described as double helix and double helical structure, which is formed by hydrogen bonding between the bases of two antiparallel polynucleotide chains. So next we are going to see about lipids. So about lipids we'll be seeing in next PPT presentation. Thank you.